Lavish Home 80 ENDTBL 2, set of 2, nesting and storage convertible round metal basket wood veneer top accent side tables, dark brown. Perfect accent. The decorative side tables add style to small spaces in any home or office. The metal square pattern on the basket and wood grain look on the veneer lid offer a fresh take on openwork design for rustic, industrial or modern farmhouse decor. Decorative storage. This multifunctional set with table and storage basket all in one can be used as a tray table, decorative basket or storage bin. It has a removable lid and ample storage room in the basket for books, blankets, games, toys and more. Smart design. The caps on the bottom of the lid allow it to lock in place on the basket 2 ways, basket right side up or down, which can create different looks and decor styles. This set can work for both adult or kids space and nestles for easy storage. Solid build. This modern end table set is constructed of durable metal with patterned construction and a high-quality MDF wooden top with wood grain veneer. Maximum weight capacity: small - 50 pounds and large - 90 pounds. Product details. Dimensions: large equals lid - 17, 5, D x 5, H, basket top 17, D, bottom base 13, D, 20, 5, H, small equals lid - 15, 5, D x 5, H, basket top 15, D, bottom base 11, D, 16, H. Material: lid MDF wood with veneer, basket painted metal. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.